Are you tired of technical difficulties ruining your live streams? You're not alone. Many streamers face challenges before going live. Introducing Restream's virtual green room. This feature allows you to prepare flawlessly, just like on a TV set. Imagine effortlessly checking mics and cameras before showtime. Practice transitions and media without the pressure of an audience. Rehearse with a private recording to ensure perfect audio and video quality. Unlike other platforms, Restream's stream drafts function as your backstage pass. They save your setup, allowing for easy rehearsals and guest briefings. Ready to elevate your streaming game? Here's how a green room transforms your process. First, duplicate your stream setup. This creates a dedicated space for testing. Next, enter your green room. Access a copy of your setup for comprehensive testing. Now, invite guests and check their equipment. Make sure their mics and cameras are flawless before going live. Test and rehearse without any stress. Make adjustments in real time to ensure everything flows perfectly. Want extra assurance? Perform a test recording to review your rehearsal. This step is crucial for catching any last-minute glitches. Finally, return to your original stream. Keep all prep separate, ensuring a smooth transition to live. Before your next broadcast, leverage Restream's green room. Your audience won't see behind the scenes, but they'll appreciate your polished professionalism. Don't wait. Start using Restream's virtual green room today for a flawless live streaming experience.